Congratulations on your relationship with Lowe's. You'll be using CommerceHub's OrderStream application to receive and fulfill orders, as well as communicate inventory and order status updates. The OrderStream web app is customized for each retailer on the CommerceHub network to reflect their requirements, so this lesson is designed to help you understand and meet the specific requirements that Lowe's has of its suppliers. Note that this broad overview will refer to some actions within OrderStream that you may not be familiar with yet. The OrderStream Basics course will cover all of the actions referred to in this video in a detailed step-by-step manner. Alright, let's get started. And a good place to start is inventory, since communicating inventory data is always an initial step when getting up and running with a retail partner. To have a clear picture of the inventory you have, Lowe's requires that all of these fields be provided for each item of inventory that you submit in OrderStream. You are expected to send inventory updates quite frequently, as often as once per day. Reach out to Lowe's for more information about how frequently they expect you to submit inventory. Lowe's expects you to use the assortment feature in OrderStream to identify mismatches between the inventory you send and the product data in Lowe's active assortment. Next, let's discuss some of the business requirements of Lowe's that will affect how you process orders in OrderStream. Based on your agreement with Lowe's, you may be expected to process ship-to-store and cross-dock orders destined for Lowe's stores and warehouses. In some cases, these types of orders will be using a special type of shipping label called a GS1 label. The lesson coming up in this course provides a walkthrough of how to process orders that are shipping with the GS1 label. Lowe's may include special instructions for personalization or instructions for cross-dock orders using a vendor order supplement page or VOS page. If applicable, VOS pages are included with the packing slip download. Next, let's talk about orders and the way they move between Lowe's, CommerceHub, and you, the supplier, by looking at an order lifecycle chart. After you download your packing slips, here are some of the details you'll see about the order. Once you have the order, you'll decide whether you can ship the items or not. Here are some things to remember. Lowe's will sometimes require that the entire order be shipped at the same time, using a single shipment confirmation, and other times allow you to fulfill the lines of an order individually if necessary, using multiple shipment confirmations. Look for this indicator on the order details page and the packing slip. Note that during a shipment confirmation, you cannot partially fulfill a line of an order. Any line of an order that you do fulfill during shipment confirmation needs to be filled in its entirety. During the shipment confirmation step, you'll designate the number of boxes you're using for the shipment and the quantity of items from each line of the order that are going into each box. You'll need to ship using the carrier and service level indicated on the order. And remember, the packing slip goes in the box, but the vendor order supplement page does not. In the event that you're unable to ship an order and need to process a cancellation, keep in mind that Lowe's only allows you to cancel an order in its entirety. You cannot cancel individual items or individual lines of an order. Occasionally, you may receive a cancellation request from Lowe's called a merchant request for cancel. You're expected to act on any cancellation requests you receive quickly, within your agreed upon timeframe. The request will be sent via email and will show up in OrderStream as a merchant request for cancel. Make sure that anyone at your company responsible for processing cancellations is on the email distribution list. As discussed earlier in the Readiness Checklist course, email customer support at commercehub.com to make changes to that list. There are times when you may need to backorder an order. Like cancellations, you must backorder the order in its entirety. You cannot partially backorder an order. For more detail around the requirements of cancellations and backorders, view the upcoming lesson in this course, and review the Ready to Sell guide from the course panel on the left. Of course, you'll want to get paid for the items you've shipped. Invoicing will be your last step in order stream for orders you receive from Lowe's. Before we wrap up, here's a tip. You'll want to check your order stream dashboard regularly, but signing up for new order email alerts is also a good idea. That way you'll be alerted immediately when an order comes in. If you're ready to learn more, download the Ready to Sell guide from the course panel on the left for more information and business scenarios specific to your relationship with Lowe's. Then continue on with the next lesson in the course.